Hey, what's up you guys? It's Shane from Learnerpreneur, and in this video you're going to learn how to remove photosensitive videos on TikTok. TikTok has a feature that allows you to remove photosensitive videos that could possibly trigger a photosensitive epilepsy. To do that, all you have to do is go down to the bottom right hand corner of TikTok and click on Me. That will open up your profile page, where if you go to the top right hand corner, click on that three-dot menu. That'll bring you to your settings and privacy page, where you're going to want to scroll down to where you see accessibility. It's underneath the content and activity heading. Click on accessibility. And here, to remove photosensitive videos, all you have to do is go down to where it says photosensitive videos and adjust that toggle to the right so it lights up green. Now, no videos that could possibly trigger an epilepsy will be shown on your TikTok feed. I hope this video helped you on how to remove photosensitive videos on TikTok. If it did, smash like and watch this video right here to learn another cool trick with TikTok.